Hey there, welcome to How to Crypto. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to change Electrum Wallet account password on your phone. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. In order to change Electrum Wallet account password, all you need to do is long press on the Electrum Wallet app and click on App Info. Click on Storage and clear all data. Now go back to your app and click on Next button. Now tap on your wallet. Click on I already have a seed button and click on Next. Now enter your seed phrase and hit Enter. Enter your new password. Now confirm your new password and click on Next. Now you are inside your account. So, guys, this is how you change Electrum Wallet account password on your phone. You don't need any other information to change Electrum Wallet account password. I hope you guys like this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.